Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to create a seller account on Amazon. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to create a seller account on Amazon, you'll need to enter a URL over here, type in sell.amazon.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Now you'll be taken to this page over here. In order to sign up and create for a new account, click on the sign up button over here. You can go and click on the sign up button at the upper right as well. As soon as you hit the sign up button, you'll be able to see that you'll need to enter a personal information of yourself in this page. From the first drop down menu, select the country of your citizenship, and on the next, select your country of birth. Now, go ahead and select your date of birth on the next. And once you do that, you'll need to go ahead and give a proof of your identity. You can enter your password or your national ID number, choose anyone, and enter your number on the next field. Go ahead and select the expiration date for your national ID or your passport, and on the next field, select the country of issue from where your proof of identity has been issued from. Now, you can select your business address over here, or you can add a new address if you want. On the next field, enter the name of your state or region. Now, enter your name of the city and town. Enter your street address if you have any. Now click on I confirm my address is correct and I understand that this information cannot be changed till address verification is completed. Check the box over here and then you can go ahead and select an option to either receive a PIN code through an SMS or a phone call. If you choose the phone call option, then you'll need to type in the characters displayed over here and click on verify. If you want to go with the SMS option, then go ahead and enter your phone number in the next text field. Select your SMS verification language from the drop down and click on send SMS. After you do that, you'll need to enter a PIN that was sent to you via SMS. Simply type in the PIN that has been received by you on your mobile number and click on verify. Once your phone number is verified successfully, you'll be able to see verification successfully complete message over here. Now click on the next button. On the next page, you'll need to enter your billing information. Go ahead and enter your credit card number in the text field that you see and enter your expiration date on the next. Type in the card holder's name, that is your name of course. And finally, click on the next button. After you do that, you'll be able to create a seller account for yourself on Amazon. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.